How to create comic strips in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Canva on a device. Now simply tap on source templates. Now type comic strips. Then tap on search at the bottom right corner. If you want to start from the scratch, simply tap on create a blank comic strip, or you can simply choose from the templates. Now let's say if I want to choose this template. Now wait for some time. Then tap on the elements. Now simply tap on edit. Now tap on gallery and select the photo. Then tap on add to page. Now tap on the photo. Now at the bottom menu simply scroll to the right and tap on layers. Now tap on the message layer. Now simply drag it to the up. Now similarly you can add more photos, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.